Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to host courses on YouTube.
YouTube is in the process of rolling out something that could be potentially game-changing. Some creators already have it, and if you don't, you're going to soon. So you need to watch this and see what it's all about and if it's something that you can use in your own YouTube channel. We're going to talk about selling courses on YouTube. The problem with selling online courses that a lot of creators have is finding the audience for them and actually getting enrollment into the courses. How do you find your students? How do you get paid? You set the whole thing up and get your content out to students. And then there's the part where you usually have to pay for something to sell these courses. So you're going to have to pay for an email list, a website, a place to host these videos.
This is where YouTube courses come into play. YouTube, and they might be a little bit late on this, but they see how many people are buying online courses elsewhere. They see how many people are going off of YouTube to enroll in other courses. YouTube doesn't want that. So they're probably thinking like, hey, people already come into YouTube to learn something for free. Why not make it the best of both worlds and offer these courses right on YouTube? So this is how it's going to work. Once it rolls out to you, you're going to see it available on desktop only. So you won't see it on YouTube Studio, on your phone, on your iPad, just on the desktop version of YouTube. When you go to your channel and click the little create button, it's going to show in the drop-down menu right where it would say like create a short, create a video, create a playlist. You will see new course at the bottom of the menu. Then click on new course, enter the details for your course, and make sure to include course title, description, and visibility. Then click create to save. In the YouTube FAQ for these courses, it says that it's available to all creators, but if you go on your channel and you go to create a course, you might not have access yet because they actually haven't rolled it out to all YouTubers yet, but you're gonna get the access soon. And it doesn't say anything in the FAQ about being monetized. Being in the YouTube Partner Program, it doesn't say anything about needing a certain amount of subscribers. It literally says all creators on YouTube, so it's coming to you soon. So you're probably wondering like, can I get these courses to bring me in money? How can I make this profitable and add it into the business that I have or the business model that I'm growing? You can make these courses paid or free. Paid courses will have one-time fee for people to access them. So if they want to see your course of 6 videos, they're going to pay that fee one time and they'll have the access to them on their channel forever. YouTube is going to take a cut of what you make. Memberships is 30%. I'm assuming that courses is going to be 30%. So if you sell a $10 course, you'll make $7 from it. And one of the biggest things in building an online business, and this is so important, is having an email list. If you're using YouTube courses and you're not growing your email list in any way, I mean, you're going to be enrolling people without collecting your email. So that could potentially be a longer term con. Once you upload your course and it's all set and ready to go, students will be able to find it by going to youtube.com/courses. They can also find your courses on the home feed and the suggested videos in the search results and on the courses tab on your channel. And there are cool features as well. First, your course will have a special course badge on the watch and playlist page, as well as in search, home, watch next, and anywhere else your course appears. Courses will appear in a dedicated tab on your channel page, and your course may be featured on youtube.com/courses for easy discovery. And you can create quizzes and associate them with specific videos in your course. These quizzes appear in the description on the watch page of the video. Creators will also have a discussion section, which is a playlist level comment section where your audience can engage with one another on more general course related topics like ask for help, get feedback, share success stories, etc. And you can reply back and manage using the same settings and tools as other comments. And in mobile apps, when a viewer finishes watching all of the videos in your course, they'll receive a badge which appears in their U tab. An information panel on the course playlist page will include more information about the course length and content. The viewer's progress and links back to the channel so viewers know what to expect.
You know, having a platform that you own for your own courses and content and community, I think is really important because it gives you a whole lot of independence as opposed to being tied to YouTube, and whatever they decide to do. We now have a place where we can post a free course or we can post a low ticket paid one and you actually get to control the sale price. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you the CourseFunnels, online courses platform with integrated marketing. Host anywhere, supports 17 languages, 6 profit-boosting plugins included. Made to sell and get you profits. Just don't make courses. Sell them and turn them into profits. Build your course sales pages and entire funnels all within CourseFunnels. Grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. Get paid using any payment system you want. Includes profit and conversion boosting plugins that save hundreds a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review, and questions inbuilt. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CourseFunnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.